Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out the science factor book and open your page number 12. Today we starting a new unit number 2, the animal world. Have you all been to a zoo? At the zoo, we can see a lot of animals and birds. Now read it with me. There are many different types of animals in the world. There are different kinds of animal, birds and insects in this world. Our world is a wonderful place. They have different shapes, colors and sizes. Some animals are big, some animals are small. Animals and birds are living things, so they eat food to grow in sizes and move. Some live on land, some live in water, and some spend most of their time in the air. Some live on land. For example, tiger, dog, horses, cat, bear, and different animals live on land. Some in water, for example, octopus, fishes, crocodile, and some spend most of their time in the air, like birds. First of all, we discuss about animals on land. Humans and many other animals live on land. Humans, we all are human beings, so we can live, we can survive on land, and many other animals live on land. For example, tigers. Tigers live on land. Dogs live on land. Horses live on land. Cat, bear. Land animals have bodies that help them to live on land. Most land animals have legs to help them move on land. They have their legs to move them on land. Most land animals have hair or fur to keep them warm when it gets cold on land. They have their furs to keep them warm when it gets too much cold temperature. They have their fur. They have their fur to keep them warm. They also need home to live in, like human beings, to remain same from heat, cold, rain, and animals. Draw a land animal. Drawing is fun. Draw a land animal. Which part of its body help it to move on land? You draw a land animal here and tell me which parts of its body help it to move on land. Most land animals have legs to help them move on land. Look at here. The slowest land animal. Which do you think is slower, or snail or a tortoise? The snail is slower than a tortoise. Today your homework is to read page number 12 and 13. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.